Which country opened 102 secret police stations in 53 countries of the world? India, China, Iran, or Russia? The correct option is China. China has established 102 secret police stations in 53 countries around the world. A covert judicial system is also operational there. A group called Safeguard Defenders in Spain has revealed this. The German minister stated on May 15, 2023 that despite objection, China is conducting police activities in their country, and the American investigation agency FBI raided a secret police station in April 2023 and arrested several Chinese individuals. Among the 52 countries with China's secret police stations, powerful nations like the United States, Britain, Germany, and Canada also have them. Now, there is a confirmation between Western countries and China on this issue. Now there is a confrontation between Western countries and China on this issue. These countries are taking action to remove Chinese secret police stations. Why did China establish secret police stations? According to an investigation conducted by the Spanish group Safeguard Defenders, China refers to them as a service station. China claims that these service stations have been established for the administrative work for Chinese citizens, such as renewing Chinese driving license, passport, renewal, assisting citizenship, etc. But China has claimed that it established these service stations due to increasing incidents of online fraud by Chinese citizens worldwide. In fact, after the COVID 19 pandemic, China passed the Anti Telecom and Online Fraud Law in September 2022, holding foreign Chinese citizens accountable for such crimes. What is China actually doing? According to Safeguard Defenders, the really that is China is going something else entirely. Through these stations, China is exerting control over Chinese individuals spread throughout the world who oppose President Xi Jinping and the Chinese Communist Party. These police stations also crack down on kinds of illegal and criminal activities associated with foreign Chinese individuals. Many innocent Chinese citizens have been placed on the suspicious list, leading to her section under of the law. Reports suggested that suspected are often trapped in fraud through threats, trafficking, and intimidation. Chinese police stations often cut off electricity and water supply to their homes or the homes of their relatives. The Ministry of Public Security in China itself has admitted that by July 2002 they had reached around 230,000 Chinese suspects involved in online fraud. China's secret police stations have persuaded that these Chinese individuals to return to China from abroad. China has also created a list of 9 countries where it believes Chinese people engaged in fraud. These countries include Turkey, the UAE, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia. Expansion of China's secret police station worldwide. According to the newspaper The Hindu, in January 2022, China established the first batch of 30 secret police stations in 25 cities of 21 countries to target suspicious foreign Chinese individuals. This includes Canada, the United States, Italy, France, Spain, Ireland, and the UK, Suriname, Peru, Brazil, Chile, Panama, Argentina, Venezuela, Angola, South Africa, Tanzania, Myanmar, Cambodia, Kazakhstan, the Philippines, Japan, Laos, Kyrgyzstan, Thailand, Korea, Sri Lanka, Ulaanbaatar, Papua New Guinea, Australia, New Zealand, and Fiji. And for this global concern regarding China's secret police, China's aggressive actions through these police service stations have raised concerns among several countries regarding their treatment of foreign nationals. It is believed that China is using these centers to bypass bilateral extradition treaties, local jurisdiction, and United Nations regulation to establish alternative policing and judicial system in other countries. In November 2022, 12 countries, including the United States, Britain, Canada, and Netherlands and Germany, initiated investigation to determine if Beijing has established such centers within their territories. Action by taken some few countries. On May 15, 2023, the German government informed China that it has two foreign police stations operating within its territory. Prior to this, Germany had also requested China to shut down the country's secret police station in November 2022. In April 2023, the FBI in the United States arrested two Chinese individuals and closed down secret police stations. In December 2022, two foreign Chinese service stations in Prague was shut down by officials from the Czech Republic. Canada, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and the United States have also confronted China over its secret police station within their respective territories. Thank you.